Now in this video I'll be taking you through the process of setting up Google AdWords conversion tracking, and we will specifically be setting it up within AdWords and not using Google Analytics goal tracking. So the first thing we do is come to our conversion page, which is under the Tools tab. If you click on measurement and then click on conversions, it sort of brings you to this page and you can see any other conversions that you've set up. So to set up a new one, you click on that, and we are going to be setting up website conversions. But if you've got an app, you can set that up as well. You can set up phone calls, and you can import some of your conversions in here, offline conversions. So we click on website because that's what we want to track, and that opens up the page where we put all the features for the conversion tracking. So let's just call this purchase, and the category describes the kind of action that we want to track. So we want to track when people buy on our website, and the value, maybe we can assign a value of $100 per conversion, or whatever makes sense to you, or don't assign a value if you don't want to. So that really depends on your business and what you're doing. Select how many conversions to count per click or interaction. So Google recommends every conversion for purchases where every conversion adds value. So if someone clicks your ads and makes 3 purchases, Google will count them as 3 conversions, and that makes sense because it's 3 different purchases. So we'll go with that. And the next one is we will look at our conversion window. The default is 30 days, and you can change that depending on the industry you're in. If it's e-commerce, maybe you want to extend that and perhaps you could go for 90 days or a custom one depending on your business and how long after a click you want to track a conversion. So if someone clicks today and they come back maybe in 60 days or 90 days, so if you've set that as 90 days, it will still track it, and that's fine. So we'll have it as that. And view through conversion, not really that necessary for this, and we can include this in conversions, and that's the default when we're looking at our reports. The attribution model basically says which click is assigned that sell or purchase. So we can say the last click is the one, and that's the default one. You can change that, for example, and say maybe the first one, which will be first click, or you can change it to a linear one and it assigns it to the different clicks or ads and so on. And attribution models are for search and shopping campaigns. So if all of that is fine, you click create and continue, and that brings you to the page where you're now going to set up your tags. So you can install the tag yourself, email the tag to your web developer, or use Google Tag Manager and install it yourself. If you know how to do it yourself, you just take the tag and then just copy it and place it on the specific page you want to track, and then that will start tracking as soon as, and once that's done and you're happy with it, you just click next and you're done. So that's basically how you set up conversion tracking. In another video we'll look at goal tracking, which is much more advanced and has many more benefits than Google AdWords conversion tracking.